Hey folks, I'm Rick with Carolina Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram here in Elizabeth City. I'm going to show you a couple things on the new Wrangler. First of all, I want to let you know that there's 3 trim packages that this comes in. The base package is the Sport. From there it goes up to the Sahara. And then of course you got the Rubicon, which is your top level. If you see Unlimited on the side, that simply means it's a 4-door instead of a 2-door version. There's no other trim options or anything available with it. It's just 4 doors versus 2, so that's what the Unlimited means. Now I want to show you what some of the changes are between the previous version Jeep, which was the JK body, and the new Jeep, which is the JL. Okay, starting out, you've got grill covers in here to help protect the radiator. These used to be open on some models. They're all closed off now. You've also got front fender lights. A lot of people were putting those in to add as an accessory. That comes standard with all the new Wranglers now. You've also got a more, say elaborate, but it's also more sound hood latch. Your windshield rest up here has been modified a little bit, and it also incorporates the windshield washer sprayers in the back of these, so they're kind of hidden out of the way, they won't get damaged. Windshield folds down a lot easier than it used to. It takes about 10 minutes now versus 2 people and probably 45 minutes, so that's much easier to work with. They also have the air vents in the side of the, or behind the front fenders. That comes standard on every vehicle, okay? The doors were made with steel before. They're a high-strength aluminum now, which is just as strong as the steel was. But because they're aluminum, they're a lot lighter, they're easier to take off, easier to maneuver around, and it's probably about 10 minutes to take each door off with one person, okay? Depending on the trim package, some of your gas fill tanks, there will be a cover on this, some of them don't, okay? Your back lights have changed a little bit, and depending on the model, you may have your backup lens in the middle or at the bottom. All of your handles now no longer have a push button. They're all pull lever, okay? Certain trim options also come with LED lights all the way around, because most people were putting LED lights in there to enhance the look of the vehicle. Your spare tire in the back, the third brake light have been lowered to allow better visibility out the rear window, okay? Also, all of the Wranglers now come with a backup camera built in, okay? Your license plate has moved from under your left tail light to down onto the bumper. It's much easier to keep there, and it's less in the way. And that's pretty much it as far as the changes between the JK and the JL. So, stop by anytime. Any of us would be happy to show you any of the differences, answer any questions that you have. Again, I'm Rick, and I hope to see you soon.